So let's see what a definition of OR might look like. It's an interdisciplinary science, which means that it is practiced not just by industrial engineers or specialists in operations research, but it's practiced by teams, which may include a couple of people with an OR background, may include engineers, people with a general quantitative bent. They want to use scientific methods for solving the problem. They feel conversant in mathematics, so they use mathematical modeling to describe the problem, statistics if there's uncertainty, algorithms, they want to use computers. The objective is to get a better decision, and within the context of a complex real-world problem, usually at the core of an organization, the operations side of the organization. The interesting thing is that the nature of the organization is essentially immaterial. These techniques are applied to a wide variety of organizations and industries. I've had some experience in the electricity sector, also working with Canadian Blood Services. And it might be interesting to note that these two industries have something in common. Both electricity cannot be stored, and neither can blood for very long. Also, the supply of electricity is random because machines break down, and the supply of blood breaks down because people don't roll up their sleeves as often as they should. And the demand for electricity is from a wide population, large population. It's very hard to predict exactly. And the same thing with blood. It's very hard to predict the demand. And so there's characteristics that lend themselves to be solved by the same methodologies. The bottom line of the entire exercise is to get the best possible solution to a problem scientifically, which improves or optimizes the performance of the organization. Now, it actually has to make an improvement, which means that it has to be implementable. One has to be able to convince the decision makers that the recommendation makes sense, and it has to be practical. There has to be a way of implementing the change within a certain timeline, usually shorter rather than longer. In the end, it's quite satisfying.